Hey guys, last class we had run this Mongoose application. So we're just going to discover the Windows schedule. So let's do that. We can go to the Windows discovery schedule. We already created the My Windows server discovery, which has IP address of the mid server. So let me do the discovery. So here we are discovering the our own Windows server. Let's refresh this. Let's wait and then check. So discovery got completed. Let me open the CI. Let's refresh it. So let me open the CI. Here in the running process, you can able to see the mongoose if I filter it. I just filtered earlier. Name contains MONG. So if you see in the filter, name contains MONG. If I mention it, the mongoose has been come. So if I open the PID, so you can see those parameters, key parameters, those kind of things are there. So the mongoose is running. So the in the process we can able to see that. So if I remove this one and run it, all kinds of whatever the things are running, we can able to see it. If I want to see mongoose application, I can able to provide star mong means see the mongoose application is running, that is coming in here during the exploration phase. Okay, so what I'm gonna do to that, I just copy this one and paste it, the store it in my notepad or text editor. So let me go to the processes. Under CA classification, we have a processes. Again, we are going to do the classification, so that I am just opening this one and then I create a new classification for separated of the mongoose, so that we can classify easily once we do the discovery again. Let me provide mongoose web server. Table is web server. So relation is runs on runs. Runs on runs. So let's provide the condition. Condition is parameter contains uh, mongoose.exe and other condition. Parameter does not contain. So we should need to find the exact match. So we can provide um, a run DLL, that is called. So we should need to provide this one due to that uniqueness. So let's save this one. So let's do the discovery again. So discovery got completed. Let's check the CCA. So let me go to the dependency view. So now you can see the Mongoose web server, which is runs on a web Windows server. So the relationship getting showing in as per the process. So that's how the relationship is depending on that Windows server. So that's how today's class. Thank you for watching my video.